What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is a Monday. I got another video for you guys. Judging by its title, I am going to be going over the reasons why I chose the Rae-Motorsports 3-inch catback exhaust system for my 23 Subaru WRX Limited over the competition. There are 3 to 4 reasons why I chose this exhaust over the competition, and we're going to be going over that in today's video. But before we start this video, please smash that thumbs up button for me. I greatly appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. You guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of content coming up for this channel, especially with my 23 WRX project here. So all right, without further ado, you guys already heard the cold start. Let's get this video started. So the reason why, you guys, I chose the Rae-Motorsports exhaust is for this very reason: quality, right? It's called quality over quantity. So what does that mean? Basically, the major brands, I'm not going to name any names, but the major brands really focus more on quantity over quality, right? They can produce a lot more exhaust systems for their customers, for the consumer, compared to a high quality exhaust that doesn't really come in a large amount of quantity, right? But what its main focus is at Rae-Motorsports is the quality. The quality, the design, the sound. I mean, everything is seriously crafted to perfection over at Rae-Motorsports. Why is that? Well, if you guys don't know what Rae-Motorsports is, it's basically a fabrication exhaust company. They make titanium charge pipes, titanium exhaust systems, titanium intakes, things like that. And it's all owned by, her name is Morgan Rae. That's why it's called Rae-Motorsports. And she is the only one who is putting her hands on your exhaust system, right? She has an assistant. Her name is Marissa, but she handles the customer service. She handles the orders that are coming in large quantities, right? So Rae-Motorsports, they really think outside of the box when it comes to quality, when it comes to sound, and of course when it comes to performance. I mean, it may take some time. Let's say that the orders do take some time because there is an influx of so many orders coming in at once for Morgan, for Marissa. These two ladies have to handle it all, right? With all that being said, when you receive your exhaust system and you take it out of its perfectly packaged, I'm going to say it like that, because there is nothing wrong with the packaging materials, nothing like that, right? Everything is just so neat and so organized, and when you take it out, you understand this is a really high quality product. Let me throw some pictures up here, you guys. Okay, here's some pictures right here showing the Rae-Motorsports exhaust system when I took it out of the box, when I was at the performance shop before it got installed, right? It's just beautiful. You guys, look at the welds. I mean, the welds are absolutely incredible. Okay, they look so good. There's no issues with any of the welds compared to a mass-produced exhaust company where their welds are kind of inferior at times, or they're not up to par for the customer, for the consumer. And see, that's why I chose Rae-Motorsports for my exhaust system. It's stainless steel, it's 3-inch, it's a high flow catback exhaust system. It is no mufflers, and has no mufflers, it is resonated, and it's dual quad tipped, burnt tips out. I mean, I think it was like $1,278 or $1,300, something like that, I don't know. But the point is, you are getting what you pay for here, right? Sorry about the sound in the background, Jesus. But you are getting what you pay for here. And with all that being said, on top of what you're getting that you paid for, you're getting the performance too, and you're getting the sound. It's not just like you take the exhaust out of the box, you put it on your car, you put it on your WRX, and then boom, it's like a normal exhaust system. No, it's not. Because I get compliments literally everywhere I go. It can be from car shows, it can be out in public getting food. I mean, the burnt tips really do stick out. Let me show you guys. Again, you've seen it on the videos, but let me take this around here. Okay, and let's take a look here. Let's get a close-up, because I want to show you guys the burnt tips here. And if I can get this up. There we go. Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out. There we go. All right. This camera. But look at, you know what I mean? Look at the quality here. It's another cloudy day in AZ. I can't do anything about that. But you guys, look at the quality. It just screams high quality. And it looks so perfect, in my opinion, with the silver paint. Not all this black right here, but imagine if this was all silver, okay? All this was IMS. Everything was fully painted. How dope would those tips look, right? That's what I've been thinking about, coming up and trying to do that. So let me put the camera back up here. So, see, you guys, that's what I think about, right? All right, there we go. Because I care more about quality over quantity. I want to have a unique exhaust system that speaks for itself, that represents itself in a way that is completely different, spitting here, from the competition. Right? It is completely different. There is nothing out there else like it. And to me, that's the kind of exhaust I want on my car. I don't know about you guys and how you handle your projects, but my projects, I really like to be unique. I like them to make a statement. I like them to be different from the rest. And Rae-Motorsports clearly is different from the rest of the competition. That's what I'm trying to say. So I know I was going on and on about the exhaust, but that is the reason why. You guys saw in the pictures in this video, the quality, the bends, you saw the flanges, everything like that. It's just beautiful. I mean, I'm gonna order more Rae-Motorsports parts for sure, especially their intermediate pipe. I think it's like 550 bucks or something. But okay, you're getting a lot more sound and a lot more performance too. Not a lot more, but you're getting some more performance, I should say. Okay, that is why I chose Rae. And honestly, I'm going to show you guys a couple more exhaust clips, and that'll be the end for this video. But you get the hint, you get the idea. Rae is high quality. I love working with them. I'm super proud to be one of their customers, one of their many customers, I should say. just check them out. I'll throw their link up right here, Rae-Motorsports.com. All right, y'all, I'm gonna finish the video with some more exhaust clips. Much love and blessings. Here we go. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you did enjoy that video, please smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Much love and blessings, you guys. Until next time, another video. Let's go.